Here I have Samsung Galaxy S10 and let me show you how to force restart on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by holding down power key and volume down. Keep holding both keys for a couple of seconds. Let's keep holding both keys. Now you can release both keys as soon as Samsung Galaxy S10 logo pops up and simply wait until your device will be in a normal way, in a normal mode. So this operation is really useful when your phone is frozen or just stuck. It's good to force restart. And now you can unlock the device and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.